we signed the contract to build our house. The next day, Ian hit, and we did not know what was going to happen. Well, I did research and I really looked at the weather factor because obviously the more north you go, it gets a little colder. There was snow in Florida last year, a significant amount up in the north
Oh,
part of Florida. And
I
anyway,
got cold
so
thinking about it.
right, and historically speaking, up until 2022, there had been really no hurricanes that were of devastation in Southwest Florida. So we signed the contract to build our house. The next day, Ian hit, and we did not know what was going to happen. So, anyway, everything really stayed on target. It was 18 months to build, which is really crazy because in Minnesota, you can build a house in 3 months, and down here it takes about 18. But everything was on target. So I picked the fact it was an affordable place to be, good weather, and not a lot of hurricanes until then.
Until then.
Mhm.
And you cover those areas. Are you largely, is everybody that you're serving on the water or a lot in the country too?
There's really a mix. It just really depends on, your comfort level, number one. I think the hurricane made a lot of people think things out. Flood insurance has a big factor in that. Um, Again, the flood insurance, I think people are super scared about. Now, last year we didn't have any hurricanes. The year before we had two. But flood insurance, you can assume policies. So, when you get into certain areas, people think that flood insurance is ridiculous. Well, if you have to get a new policy, it is. But if you can assume one, you can save probably three-quarters of what a new policy would be.
Mhm. Right,
Well, and
right.
also, depending on how far away you are from the beach, not everybody needs to have a flood policy.
Right.
And depending on your construction too. So that in and of itself doesn't need to make anybody feel like, oh, I just wouldn't be able to afford Florida.